hier bin ich zwar schon Stufe 5, wa?
Northern Light has established contact with a second TriStar array named Red Star, located near the old Chernobyl power
Schauen wir
station.
mal.
This mission takes you deep behind enemy territory, into the heart of the European zone of alienation. Your first objective is to clear the perimeter around the landing area, from which we can stage further operations.
Glad this bird is radiation hard. Take care out there, Captain.
Welcome to Pripyat, Captain. The Xenos attacked the city in 1986. UNX couldn't push them back and were forced to cordon off the area and cover it up as a reactor town.
And the Xenos have been here ever since. But why did the base's defenses fall so easily?
Good question, Major, but it will have to wait for now. The automap is detecting a huge area of infestation.
Okay, wo bist du denn? Da vorne. Oh oh. Nee. Ist ja nett. Okay.
UNX patrol investigating reports of a crashed Xeno ship at the Northern Light facility sent a distress signal, then went silent. Investigate the area, find the missing patrol, and report their status.
Good luck, Captain.
Good luck, Captain.
Memories. It used to be known as the Arctic's Science City when I was stationed here back in '85.
Nothing but ice and shadows now. Luckily, the automap is picking up the patrol transceiver signals.
Viermal XP. Schon 6-mal. Nicht schlecht. Speed Boost. Na.
Nicht, 2 Wochen nicht zum Waschen.
Also Arbeitskleider hätte ich. Kann ich auch gehen. Also was? Oh. Ja genau, doch, die Jacke. 2 Jacken.
Ja, nein, ich will nicht laufen.
Also ja. Dann machen wir... Weiss habe ich nichts im Moment. Ah, das sind meine Kopfhörer. Da.
Also, das Dünni.
Ja. Aber die andere ist dick.
Was, das ist keine?
Doch. Die. Fabrice.
Wissen die auch, dass du am Donnerstag mit dürfen arbeiten?
Ja, dürfen wir auch nicht.
Dann ist es mal.
So, gut, kann weitergehen. Ah, Mann. Wo habe ich denn jetzt meinen Controller? Ja, habe ich ihn. Ah, Kacke, jetzt habe ich nur noch 3 Mal.
That's the patrol's APC. Take a closer look, Captain.
Phantom Alpha, this is Phantom Bravo. We're trapped in the NARL. Need immediate backup. Phantom Alpha, do you copy? Come in, Phantom.
Nothing but static now. Didn't sound good.
Captain, search the area for anything useful while we pinpoint the source of that transmission. Nice find, Captain. C4 explosives keep well in the cold.
Major, that radio signal was coming from the Naval Arctic Research Lab. It's on the auto map now.
Captain, head for the lab. Sounds like the patrol really needs your help back there.
Ja, nicht schlecht.
Good job you found that C4, Captain. Plant the explosives on the wall, and let's see if they still work. Xenos everywhere, Captain. Get in there and kill them all.
Ah, kommt nur.
Good heavens, the whole place is overrun with xenophyte growth.
Oh nee.
Captain, those bodies, are they UNX?
Exactly what I was afraid of. They never stood a chance against a force this size. The Xenos assimilation process was already underway.
Nothing else we can do for them now. Proceed to the evac location, Captain.
Also bis jetzt ist es ja nicht schwer.
Stardust inbound for landing. I got visual on the rendezvous location. Looks clear.
The patrol is locked.
Tunguska, Roswell, and now Barrow. Perhaps third time's a charm. Try to reach the ship's wreckage and find out what the Xenos are bringing to Barrow. More importantly, why.
Scanning complete.
Probes. Intel confirms these are a critical component of the Xeno scouts. Thankfully destroyed in the crash.
There's still one heat source left. Head for it, Captain.
Ein Boss.
Chopper's inbound for evac, Captain. Head to the rendezvous point.
Armor low. Ignore critical.
Yes, bessere Gun. Nein, oh, falsche Richtung.
This is Stardust initiating descent. Good to see you in one piece, Captain.
Oh, nur Kacke.
Scans of the crashed ship wreckage indicate...
Ah, doch. Okay. Dann wollen wir mal kurz schauen. Kann ich alles verwerten? Kann ich auch verwerten. Ja, machen wir es so. Hier.
Barrow was the initial site of the Project TriStar radar array, codenamed the Northern Light. Fortunately, the equipment here was mothballed just before the blackout in 2009, and remote diagnostics report all systems nominal. Apparently, one just needs to throw the switch to power it up.
Godspeed, Captain. Kick some Xenos butt for me.
Head for the nesting areas, Captain. It's time to do a little hunting.
Nix da, ihr kleinen Viecher. Brainbox. Wohl, nee, das war ja nur der eine große Brainbug.
On to the next.
Black Wolf. Ah, jetzt ist er zu mir gekommen.
On to the next. Looks like we're done with this area. Proceed to the next sector, Captain.
Nice.
Ah, hätte ich was Besseres gehabt, wa?
Wait. Inner critical.
Ah, nee, nicht geschafft.
Revolver.
Ah, ich habe ja Revolver.
No rifle.
Aber die Pumpe wäre trotzdem besser. Ah, fuck, ich kann ja gar nicht benutzen. Meine zweite Fertigkeit.
Ammo low. Revolver. No rifle.
Very different distance. Seem committed to holding this location.
Wow, 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 wow. Es werden uns doch langsam mehr.
No rifle. Health low. Health critical.
Ah, ich muss fliehen.
Ammo low.
Mach doch einfach mal die Nester
Out in the last
kaputt.
I've located the emergency power source for the Northern Light.
Captain, you know the score. Get to it.
Ah, geil. Ah, jetzt kann ich aber nicht. So, schnell wechseln. Ah, das war eine Sekundärwaffe. Yes, sogar eine Schrotflinte.
Plasma shotgun.
Ah, nicht schlecht.
No rifle. Wait. Plasma shotgun. No rifle. Plasma shotgun.
Schon wieder ein neues Update für Hitman. Ah,
Nice. Wait. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here.
hey Jungs, wir müssen hier nicht durch.
Over here. Heart low. Rifle.
Hey, musst du mir immer in die Schussbahn laufen? Ah, ein Geschiss.
Heart critical.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, sogar eine schlechte Waffe.
Plasma shotgun.
Oh nee, ich habe ja gar nicht die Handgranate.
Just start the power-up sequence from the main console and it should connect. Ramping to full power, connecting to infrastructure, searching for the red star.
Let's get you out of there, Captain. Stand by for evac.
Plasma shotgun.
Stardust inbound, that radar erasure patch the bunch is surrounding my comms.
Ja, wenigstens eine blaue Waffe. Aber Revolver. Raketenwerfer.
The Xenos Nest and Barrow have been destroyed, and the Northern Light is online. Interestingly, it is receiving signal activity.
Northern Light Array activated.
Ja, gleich mal alles verschrotten.
Northern Light Array.
Ah, ist zwar besser, ne? Nee, nehme ich lieber die Granate.
Northern Light Array activated.
Northern Light has established contact with a second TriStar array named Red Star. Located near the old Chernobyl power station in Pripyat, this mission takes you deep behind enemy territory.
So, jetzt wird es schwer.
Take care out there, Captain.
Jetzt zieht die Schwierigkeit gleich eine Stufe höher.
The Xenos attacked the city in 1986. UNX couldn't push them back and were forced to cordon off the area and cover it up as a reactor meltdown.
And the Xenos have been here ever since. But why did the base's defenses fall
Plasma shotgun.
Good question, Major, but it will have to wait for now. The automatic
Oh,
area of
ist
infestation.
sowas nicht. Oh nee. Hau ab. Einen Schuss jetzt und ich werde.
Ja.
Was ist das? Was? Frühlingsrolle.
Over here. Plasma shotgun. Rifle. Plasma shotgun.
Oha. Muss man schon aufpassen.
Rifle. Over here. Plasma shotgun.
Noch kein einziges Nest.
Plasma shotgun. Loose.
Oh fuck. Oh nee, noch eine Horde. Und das auch noch.
On low.
Oh wow. Oh nee, und noch Horde. Auch wieder.
No rifle.
Oh fuck.
Plasma shotgun. Plasma shotgun. No rifle.
Yes, gut gemacht.
Wait. Nice.
Und hier drüben auch noch gleich einer. Ah, schon wieder einer. Oh nee, jetzt so ein Eistyp. Nein. Oh,
Nice. Plasma shotgun.
Captain, those things pop out Xenos at an alarming rate.
ah, du Kleiner.
Plasma shotgun.
Oh, nicht im Mörser.
Park low. New arrival.
Oh, schon wieder. Oh ne, und noch so einer. Oh ne, gleich zwei. Jetzt muss ich aufpassen.
New arrival.
Nice work, Captain. Another nest exterminated.
Plasma shotgun. New arrival.
Da ist der eine gestorben.
Plasma shotgun. New arrival.
Ja, komm, nehmen wir Bumerang. Können wir eigentlich noch schnell.
Nice. Over here. Plasma shotgun. New arrival. Plasma shotgun.
You're doing great. Keep going.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Purple. New arrival. Plasma shotgun. New arrival. Plasma shotgun.
Excellent. Keep it up, Captain.
Park low. New arrival.
Au. Level 10 Charakter.
Distance seems to be increasing. Keep your eyes open.
Nice. Wait. Over here.
large
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
moving signature. Overseer class, at least you need to take a closer look.
Signal arrival.
Intense. Glad we aren't going to have that thing stomping around where we set up camp.
The old UNX facilities here.
Stardust inbound. Stand clear of the beach. Don't want to scuff this beam.
Wir haben es geschafft.
Wait. 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 Nice. Wait. Wait. Wait.
Well played, Captain. Despite facing an even